In this video, I'll provide a quick refresher on how you can set up MindTap within Blackboard. So I'm in my Blackboard course and I've added a content area called MindTap over here on the left-hand side of the page, but you can add in your MindTap content into whatever content area you have in Blackboard. So once you're in the content area where you would like to add in your MindTap content, you're going to go to your Tools menu and select Cengage Learning Mind Links from the list. The very first time you access, you'll be prompted to enter in your Cengage credentials, but from here on out, you'll be taken straight to this content source page. Here you'll select the MindTap course that needs to be tied to this Blackboard section. You can look through the list or you can use the search tool. So we're going to go ahead and click on the link for the book. And the first time you access, it's going to take you to this Create Course in MindTap page. You can choose to create a fresh MindTap course, or if you want to copy over any changes that you've made, you can copy from one of your existing courses. You would just choose to copy from my existing course and then choose the course that you want to copy. For this video, I'm just going to create a new MindTap course, and we'll set our start date and our end date. You do want to be accurate in your start date. This is when the student's 3-week grace period will begin. I'm just going to select it for today. And then your end date is a little bit more flexible, so you can select it for a week or two after your class actually ends. And then lastly, we'll hit our time zone. You'll hit continue again. And then lastly, Blackboard's going to ask you to confirm. So I'm going to hit submit. So now we have the link that would take you and your students to the MindTap course. All you have to do is click on that link and MindTap will open. The first time you access, you'll hit the Enter button, and then you can click anywhere on the screen to get rid of the navigation overlay. I'm going to go ahead and close this for now. Now that you have a connection between this Blackboard course and MindTap, you can add in links that would take students to specific resources. This is done by following the same process of from your Tools menu selecting Cengage Learning Mind Links. Once you have linked your MindTap course to your Blackboard section, you can click on the Linked button, and you will have the link right there that you'll need to access. So we'll go ahead and click on that. And now you have a list of all of the resources that are included within MindTap. You can click the checkbox next to any of the resources for which you would like to create a link. For any of the graded resources, you'll notice that you also have this Add to Gradebook checkbox. You can select this item if you want to create a link, and then determine if you want the scores for this item to feed directly into your Blackboard gradebook. If you do, you can leave the Add to Gradebook checked. If not, we'll deselect it. When you're finished, you'll hit Confirm Selections and then hit Save. Next, Blackboard will ask you to confirm, so we'll go ahead and hit Submit. And now we have direct links to those specific activities. Now that these links are in Blackboard, you can use your Blackboard controls should you want to hide, change the name, or move these around.